Financing your roof in the Woodlands, Texas is smoother when you prepare before you apply. Rushing into roof financing without a clear scope can lead to the wrong loan amount. It can also push you into terms that do not match your timeline. Houston Roofing and Construction keeps this process simple with honest assessments and clear next steps. First, confirm what your roof actually needs before you finance anything. A minor roof repair and a full roofing replacement are very different scopes. Ask for photos, a written explanation, and clear recommendations. Financing usually works best when the work is defined and realistic. Second, get real numbers rather than rough estimates. Ask for an itemized estimate that includes underlayment, flashing, ventilation, and cleanup. Make sure disposal and job site protection are part of the plan. Clear pricing helps you compare financing options for a roof with confidence. Third, compare roof financing terms like a checklist. Look at APR, total repayment amount, fees, and the term length. If there is a promotional rate, confirm what happens when it ends. Ask how early payoff works, and get that answer in writing. Fourth, choose the roofer before you choose the loan. Financing does not help if the project is poorly managed. Look for clear communication, professional project management, and a hassle-free process. When you're weighing Greater Houston area roof financing options, a reliable contractor keeps the process organized. If you're considering roof financing in the Woodlands, Texas, contact Houston Roofing and Construction to get a quote.